All right, we need an update. Since last we talked, I was saying look for a pullback from resistance, and I was cautioning you against getting too bearish because during this pullback, I am expecting this to be a higher low, which you can clearly see from the arrows that I drew, and you can clearly see we hit the pullback destination that I was looking for, which was right around 556. And we did hit that with today's price action. And while I'm not saying that we can't go lower, I am definitely saying that we do not need to, because I am still looking for this V-shaped recovery to take SPY back towards 600. Now that is completely fine if we do pull back a bit deeper, and that level that I would watch below 556 would be right around 550 and 544. And what I really want you to understand is even if we did pull back into that zone, as long as we bounce out of it with a higher low, that is completely fine. And that is a dip that you can be looking to buy long positions for. Now, with that being said, if you are already in long positions and you had a lot of these low risk entries that we were getting back in April, you do not need to worry about any volatility in this zone if you still believe we are going higher, as I do. So I want to make that very clear. You need to have lots of patience when you're swing trading and don't get shaken out of your position just over some fear mongering crap. Make sure you have a damn good trade plan around following price and then follow that trade plan. Don't let somebody scare you out of your position because they tell you the market's going to crash. Those people are never right, and even when they are right, you have to remember they called 50 of the last 2 stock market crashes. So of course they look smart when it happens, but they get it wrong every other time they call for it. So stay disciplined here. I think you have very clear risk levels at the support below, and I do believe we are still well on our way within this V-shaped recovery heading higher. Jumping over to the NASDAQ 100 triple Qs, we were up 0.39% today, and just like SPY, we absolutely nailed my downside projection for the pullback, which was going to take us down here towards 477, and from here, I do believe we are setting up another higher low that is going to help us push all the way back into the 520s and 530s. Again, these are V-shaped recoveries. If you zoom out and look, by the time we get up to those prices, it is going to look like we completely recovered from the correction, which ended up being a bit of a crash back there in early April. And that's completely fine. Sometimes the markets do crash, but it's more important after a stock market crash, you realize that it's over with and now the market's ready to recover from it. So the crash is in the past and we are more than likely pushing higher while the triple Qs are above 468 and 462. If we can't hold above those supports, then it is completely fine to get risk off, but right now we're above them and price action is bouncing off of this support zone that I'm expecting, which is at 477. So things are looking bullish and price is telling us to stay bullish, so we are going to stay bullish. Also, don't forget that you can trade directly with me with my exact buy and sell alerts for the T triple Qs and the S triple Qs. And that is TSC Trade Alerts, which you can find out how to join below. And currently, year to date, we are up over 12%, absolutely destroying the stock market where the indices are still negative year to date. So if you want to trade directly with me, the best way to do that is TSC Trade Alerts, which you can find out how to join by clicking on the link in the description of this video. So thank you for watching, everybody. Now go crush this market.